Good morning, Crosby Scholars or potential Crosby Scholars. My name is Jenniffer Jamison. I'm the Junior Senior Program Manager, and I wanted to do a short tutorial about how to join Crosby Scholars. So if you are interested in joining, basically you're going to go to our website, which is www.crosbyscholarsIredell.org, and you're going to see our website here. There's lots of information on our website that you'll find helpful. I encourage you to look around. Now, in order to join the program, you can do two things. You can either click on this little blue guy here, which is how you access the portal, or you can click on this Apply Now button. And while registration for Crosby Scholars is open, the Apply Now button will get you to our home screen. Now, on the home screen, you're going to see some instructions. So basically, this is the registration and sign-in page. So if you are a student and you would like to enroll and or log into your account, you simply go down to the student, click on the student portal in red here, and then it will take you to a page where it's asking for your email. Now, if you are already a student enrolled in Crosby Scholars, you put your email address that you used to create your account. If you are a new person to Crosby Scholars, then you simply type in an email that you would like to use. Now, we're not using passwords, we're using authorization codes. That's for your safety. So what you're going to see here is you're going to get a code on your computer, and all you have to do is type in that code, and then that will give you access. So that must have been an old code. Hold on. There we go. 168803. So you'll get an email from login verification. Now, if your email does not exist in the system and you know that you're a new student, then this is the screen that you're going to see. If you type in an email and you know you're a Crosby Scholar because you're getting information from us and you get to this screen, contact me or one of our staff members and we'll make sure to get you into the system. If you are a new student, then you're going to do the following. You're going to select Iredell County because that's Iredell County, Crosby Scholars, Iredell County. And then you're going to complete the information that it's asking for. So I'm going to set this student up as a 10th grader at ASEC. I am going to put in my name. And then I'm going to put my last name. And you simply answer all the questions as they come. Okay. If you're a first generation student, you can click there. We do ask you to select your date of birth. The easiest way to do this, I know, instead of going back every single month, is to select the month, year, and then it'll show you a year. Then you can go back with your years, right? I'm going to, what would that be? That would be a 2009 birthday. And then it'll get you to the year and you can click on that. Then if you would like to get text messages from us, you can put your cell phone number in there. Just put that in for right now. And then your mailing address. Okay. All right. So when you have that done, you simply go back up to the top and you press continue. Now, there is a partnership agreement, and basically this is kind of going through what we expect of you, what you can expect of us. Once you sign that agreement, you're going to say, I have read, and then you're going to press continue. And then you're going to have an opportunity to invite your parent. Now, if you have another student that you have a brother or sister and your parent already has an account, just go ahead and put that email because then they'll be able to see all of their students on one email. If you are totally new to Crosby Scholars, then invite your parent. And then what you're really going to need to do is tell your parent to go check their email. They should receive an email from us that will give them some instructions, and they will need to sign a parent agreement and accept the account so that they can then log in and see your information, and so that your information or their information can be visible on your profile as well. Now, really quickly, once you join, you're going to see that this is your student portal, and you will have the opportunity to see where you are progressing. You will see the tasks that are associated with your grade level, and you can click on these tasks to sign up for things. For instance, you can actually click on community service and complete your community service form. You can, if you would like to attend an academy or one of our programs, you can either click on the academy to see the different dates that are available. That is one way for you to be able to register for things. Or you can go to the top of the page and click on the calendar, and you can see the things and the events that are upcoming for your grade in the next month. And then by clicking on those things, like for instance, Vanderbilt University is doing something with us on the 21st. You can click on that, and then the details will be there, and you can click on register, and you can register for that event. So it's really, we've tried to make it user-friendly. You can always go back to the home screen. You'll see upcoming events, and then you will also see tasks at the bottom. Anything that's required has this little red box. And then you can see by moving over where you are. So if you have completed something, the status, it would show required, and then the status would show completed. Okay. And then your progress bar will change. So we're hoping that this is an easier system for you to use. We would love for you to explore all the different opportunities and the events that are coming up. And if you have any questions whatsoever or any issues, please contact us at Crosby Scholars. Thank you.